Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use the hidden trackpad on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up any app that can type on text or use text. So let's say notes, since I can type right here. And once you're here, you just need to tap on any blank space or on the text right here to open up your keyboard. Then just simply tap and hold on the space button right here. And as you can see, once all the characters are gone, you could just swipe your finger or your thumb and drag it to anywhere around the keyboard. So as you can see, move the text right here, or the line on where you type the text. As you can see, if I want to change something here, as you can see, it will go right there on the line. Then now I could edit it as much as I want. Let's say I forgot to add the exclamation mark right here, so let's just edit. I'm right here, and if I want to go right there, I'll just tap and hold on space. Then I'll just simply drag my thumb to where I need it to, and just add or edit the text that I want. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.